Hello, I'm so glad you could join me. I'm Sarah McIntyre and today I'm going to teach you how to draw Vern Lettuce. And they're from my comic book, Vern Lettuce. Sometimes people say, Sarah, where do you get the ideas for your stories? And for Vern Lettuce, I set it in my hometown of London where I live, but I took all the people out and I put animals in instead. So if you're ever stuck for a story idea, think of a place where you are right now, but take the people out and put something else in, maybe animals or aliens or anything else that would just be kind of funny. Here, I'll read to you a comic strip from the book. Vern likes to take his morning cup of tea on the balcony.
Good morning, Uncle Vern.
Hello, rabbits.
Can we come down to visit you, Uncle Vern?
Well, yes, but I need to bake a cake.
Cake! Cake! We're here to help!
Uh-huh.
Oops. Vern, what do I do with the eggs? I'm so sorry, Vern. Mom asked me to look after the bunnies today.
That's okay, Lettuce. Now, the recipe says be sure to sift all the lumps out of the flour. It doesn't mention flour with ears in it. Or raisins. I didn't buy any raisins.
Sorry, Vern. They're not raisins.
Vern and Lettuce also appear in the new Neighbours. And here you can see their tower block. That's where Lettuce and the bunnies live, and that's where Vern lives. And they're best friends and they go on lots of adventures together. Right, let's go and draw Vern and Lettuce. I'm going to start with a pencil and I'm going to just sketch out the shape of Vern's body. So I'm going to draw kind of a light egg shape here. And then I'm going to make a kind of turtleneck collar on him. So like that. So we've got two eggs stacked really. And then I'm going to make his big round body. Like that. These are good guidelines. Okay, now I'm going to go into the pen. And I'm going to draw his ear. So a straight line there. And then a curved line like that. And he's got a funny little curl right here. So I'm going to draw it like that. And then thicken it up a bit. And he's got another little curl here. One there. They're a little bit shorter. And then connect just at the base of these. Okay, and then we're going to do his other ear. It comes up like that. There you go. And then we're going to follow this line all the way around on his face. So he gets the other ear. And inside of this ear, we'll do a straight line and then a little line there. Okay, now we're going to do his eyes, and they're really big and round. So one eye here, like that. And then the other goes off the side of his face a little bit. And I'm going to put Lettuce down here, so I'm going to have him looking at Lettuce. So do some pupils and color them in nice and black. And then his nose. So a little V here. And then the straight bit. And a little smile. And then we're going to do the ruff around his neck. So it kind of goes boom, boom, and then maybe some little lines. Boom, boom, boom. Little lines, boom, just kind of vary it up a bit, boom, boom, boom. Just little lines and squiggles like that. So just go all the way around. And then I put some extra dots on it to make it really woolly looking. Okay, now we're going to do his body, and it's the same thing. Go bum, 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 dash, 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 boom, boom, dash, boom, boom, boom. And you can just sometimes do 2, sometimes do 3, sometimes do 1. Just kind of vary it up all the way around. Boom, 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 dash, dash. Boom, boom, boom. Till you get to the other side. Okay, now we're going to do his arm. I think we're going to make him dancing. So let's have his arm coming out like that. And then have the other arm, a little line here like that. And we'll make a V for his hoof. And then cap that off with a line and color that in. And we'll do another arm here. So a line like that. Thicken it up, the second line. And a little V. it off again and color it in. Okay, and we'll do his legs. So maybe one leg's kind of going like that to the ground. V, cap it off, color it in. And let's have the other one kicking out behind, like that. Let's do a little dance. V, color it in. And we'll give him a little tail. He's shaking his tail and dancing. You can just kind of go like that. And maybe give it some little dots like the neck. Now he's got a little pattern on him. So they go little spirals like this. So just go round and round with your pen or pencil. Make little spiral patterns. And you can do lots and lots, or just a few, whatever you like. The more you do, the cooler it looks, I think. Get some detail into his wool. And if you go off the edge a bit, don't worry about fitting in the whole spiral, just part of it. Okay, now we'll draw lettuce. And lettuce is, you might want to practice with a little circle like that, kind of a bean shape. That's about right. Okay, so we're going to draw lettuce's head, and then have two ears coming off like that. And a little triangle nose, like Vern's. A little line here, and then a smile. And she's really lost in the music, so let's have her eyes closed. Like she's dancing away there. Okay. And then let's do her foot up in the air. So her foot is like a big dinner roll. Just like that. And then cap it off with another line. And put a circle in the middle. And then 3 little circles around it for her toes. And do a line going like that. And then we'll have her, she's kind of bending because she's dancing, so have another line going like that. And then her second bread roll foot goes like that. Line underneath and show her toes. And then the bottom of her dress like that. And you could have one of her arms, they're like little sausages. They come up like that. And the other arm might be going down like that. Maybe a little arm sleeve thing there. And for her tail, you could, for the pencil, just lightly sketch in a round circle. And then you can go around it like that with fluffy bits. Maybe even some extra fluffy bits inside. And you could put whatever pattern you want on her dress. In the book, she has a kind of flower pattern, so I'm going to put flowers. But you can put whatever pattern. She might be wearing polka dots or rainbows or who knows. Maybe it's her favorite dinosaur shirt or something. So add some texture there. There you go. And now they're dancing. So let's kind of get little dancing lines. So you can see there's some movement there. Maybe some lines here. And we'll show what they're dancing on. So let's show the ground, the shadow. Vern's got quite a big shadow because he's a big, bulky, round thing. And Lettuce is a bit smaller. Maybe put some shadow under here. Okay, now they look like they're actually standing on something. And then you maybe put a disco ball. So disco ball, you draw a disco ball by putting a circle, and then divide it up in half like that, and in quarters like a pizza. And then you'll start doing slightly curved lines. They get more curved as you go out. And then do the other way. And then you can turn it around and do exactly the same thing. There. And have a little rope holding or something. And of course it's shining out light. And when you're coloring it, you could do little circles and sort of sunbeams and everything, rainbow lights everywhere. Oh, let's put some music as well, some musical notes. So 2 little dots and a line coming up in each one. Connect them, a little dot, a line coming up. You could even do 3. 1, 2, 3. Line, 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 connect. One more maybe. Dot, line. Sometimes there's this little thing like that. There, that looks like you can see there's a music on. The last thing you should do is sign your name, and I'm going to sign Sarah McIntyre, but of course sign your own name. This needs color. You can color it any way you want, but I'm going to do it on my computer this time. I'm scanning it, and then I'm opening it in Photoshop. I'm going to pick one color and add lots of dots of light. Here's pink, and then yellow, and blue, and orange, blue floor. Then I'm going to show you a cool trick. If you make the background dark, it makes them pop out. I've used purple because then I can go even darker with black. I've done a bit of extra black shading around the edges here. And then I'll make the ball glow a bit pink to make it pop out even more. Next I'll pick out colors from the dots of light and use them to color the squares in the disco ball. Now I could color Vern Lettuce the regular daytime colors, but there's already so much color with the dots of light that I'm just going to color them blue, leaving white the bits that the light is directly shining on. I've also picked out the curly cues in Vern's wool to make them a little bit more textured. Now I'm adding a little bit of pink to make them look a bit more alive, and some very light brown to Lettuce's fur. And to finish, I'm just going to put some rays of light coming out of that disco ball. Now you can have your own Vern Lettuce disco party. Thanks for drawing with me. I would love to see your picture, so if you could put it on social media or have a friend or a relative help you, use the hashtag #DrawingWithSarah, and then I'll get to see your picture. And if you want to turn it into a story, even better. Take care until next time.